Hi, I'm Shawn Evans with JH Technologies, and we've been asked to create a video to explain the features of the Leica DM750 microscope. So I'm going to point out some of the features of the microscope and explain how the microscope is set up and how it's used. Okay, so starting at the top of the microscope, we have a binocular head which contains two 10x eyepieces. We have a focusable diopter on one eyepiece and a fixed diopter on the other eyepiece. One of these eyepieces contains a reticle. That would be the focusing eyepiece. So in order to adjust the focusable eyepiece, we have a knob mounted on the eyepiece and markings to use as a reference. And this allows for the adjustment of the eyepieces so that both eyes are in focus simultaneously. When you're first making the adjustment for the eyepieces, you want to position the value on 0 on the marking on the left-hand eyepiece. And you want to focus on the sample using a 10x objective lens, a lower power objective, so we have a larger field of view and have something with some structure. So we can get a nice focused image. So we're going to focus with the right eye and then move to the left eye and adjust the diopter ring until the image is nice and sharply focused. So the eyepieces are adjustable like a pair of binoculars. It's a folding style viewing tube, and it does have markings which indicate the distance between the user's pupils. So if students would note the value that's engraved on the tube, you can position to that mark on the tube every time you sit down to the microscope and immediately have one large continuous field to use for observation and doing your work. Okay. Moving down to the objective lenses, we have 3 objective lenses on this microscope. We have a 10x objective, a 40x objective, both of which are dry lenses. They're non-immersion objectives, and a 100x immersion objective. The objectives are clearly marked and they're color-coded, so you have very quick reference to find the objective that you'd like to be using. For loading and unloading slides, this is a very nice design for the finger clip assembly on the stage. It's one hand to load the slide in and to take it off. You do not need to pull a lever or move anything on the stage in order to take your slides on and off. The stage has a very durable finish, and if you need to clean the stage, you can use isopropyl alcohol for cleaning that surface. If you have substances, fluids that have gotten underneath the finger clip assembly, you can remove the finger clip assembly and clean under that, then put the finger clip assembly back on.